Good morning. I've been an educator almost 40 years, and thank you, Curtis. For the last 20, I always like to have an empty chair on the stage. Is there anyone in the room know why I'm going to do this? Good. Who's a classroom teacher? Hands high. Somebody in the room a teacher? Could you give me the first name of one of the kids you taught last year? Justin? Justin's here. Don't look so disappointed, okay? Justin's going to be with us. You'll see why in a moment. These are our two essential questions. I couldn't be more honored to follow the three speakers who really set the stage for what I hope to build on. I want you to notice I didn't put Common Core in there. I didn't put teaching in there. What I did say is your job is to help prepare Justin for 5, 10, 15 years from now or today. Secondly, here's a second question that my good friend Alan November often asks. Who owns the learning? If Justin doesn't own his own learning, then it isn't his and he can't build on it. And let me just say this, we have a mythology. No one in this room, no school, no state, no province, no one can improve Justin's performance. The only person who can improve Justin's performance is, what was that? That's right. And you know who knows this? Athletic teachers and the arts. He's the kid who has to make the basket. He's the one who has to learn to drive a car. He's the one who has to play the violin. And if we're not thinking that way, we're in trouble. So, I have a rule of thumb, which is with the empty chair, that if I were at a meeting, if I were at your school, and I'm going to say this to you today, we have one rule, and that is you can raise any issue you want that deals with curriculum, assessment, instruction, and the conditions that affect you. Those conditions that are still in place from the 19th century, as you beautifully laid out. Your schedule, the way you group your kids, the whole idea of K-12, which is, I'm going to say, antiquated. We have hundreds of kids getting diplomas in school districts all over, and they have to take remedial courses to go to college. You know, some kids, there might be a Justin, if he had another year or two, he'd have a better life. These are 19th century conditions. We're going to have a rule, though. You can raise anything you want, any point, as long as it's in Justin's best interest. You know, and you and I might not agree on what's in his best interest. But if we're both coming from a place to help him, it's a good thing. It's a debate. So we're going to start with this notion. And one of the things I think to help us prepare is we're going to need differentiated professional development. I'm intrigued with the Kentucky system. I want to see it. I tried to log on while you were on, and I can't yet. You got to give me a login. It's the one thing I'm asking for. But you see, we give differentiated instruction, personalized learning, as Curtis so elegantly portrayed, but we need it too. We also need mission-driven schools. Now, as you know, some of you, we've just completed work on a major project on Common Core. We've been mapping to standards for over 20 years. I'm the first to tell you I don't believe in standards-driven curriculum. I don't believe in standards-driven teaching. I don't believe in standard-driven lesson planning. I believe in mission-driven schools, and the standards will help you achieve the mission. You'll see why. There's a big difference. So we need these two fundamentals to help prepare him. And we're going to need to also make some decisions. We have a new kind of learner. How many of you have seen 2-, 3-, and 4-year-olds using touch technologies to teach themselves the alphabet on an iPad? Those are the new haves and have-nots. We have learners that are used to social networking, who are used to using tools online. And in fact, I don't want your kids time traveling. I wrote a blog that was on ASCD Edge that got a lot of hits. It was called Time Traveling Through Testing. I went through and looked at 1970s tests, matched them to what we just gave 2 years ago. They're the same. Oh yeah. Somebody explain how that's rational. See, you're getting two messages. You're getting the message to modernize. You're going to start to see some new and dynamic assessment systems, but we still hold on to what I consider the enemy, the number 2 pencil. I did a TED Talk about a year and a half ago. It was a real thrill. It really was. It was exciting. And in it, I took the number 2 pencil and broke it. I go to conferences sometime now, and I have especially younger people come up and break a pencil in front of me, you know? I'd like you to do the same. So the notion here is we then need a new kind of teaching. You are exactly right. If I want to be connected, my kids will be. So it's no longer okay for a teacher to say, I don't like technology. Can you imagine going to a doctor who said, oh, I've heard of x-rays? You're laughing, but you should feel painful about it. I'm going to challenge you right now. How many of you have been tweeting? Well, every hand should be up. Sorry, but you got to start to make your choices. Give in to it. You know who can help you learn how to use Twitter? You bet. Don't be afraid of it. What we need then is upgraded curriculum. And as you'll see, one of my approaches, and our teams comes from Curriculum 21, which was an ASCD book, a world member book a year and a half ago. Any of you receive it as ASCD members? In it, we talk about a model for strategic replacement, replacing dated curriculum with new curriculum. By the way, I agree with you also. It's not just the tools. It's also content. I can use an exciting tool and have dated content. People do dumb things with smartboards. It's not just the tools. It's the choices we make. We have world-class standards we have now with our Common Core standards. That means we have to operationalize them. We're going to have new kinds of careers. Curtis, you mentioned career and college readiness. I'm looking at a lot of curriculum, K-12, people working really hard. I'm going, this is interesting. You're preparing kids for about 1980. That's why when Chet stands up here and says we don't have people ready, it's because we're preparing them for careers that are dated. What is it going to take to get into college? Guess what's also going to change? The college systems. Because in many ways, they're as dated as anything else. And so as we look at this question, we have a new kind of learner, we're going to need new kinds of schools. I don't think schools are going to look like they do now. I think the flipped classroom, which is fascinating, who knows flipped classroom, should be applied to a lot of ideas. I think it's a transitioning model, because you're still within your current structure, you're just flipping homework to be what you would have done in school by using tools like Khan Academy and so forth. And in school, you get to give coaching. I'm all for what I'm proposing for next year is a flipped conference. I'm already talking with ASCD about it. I'm saying we can flip these things. That's great. Still not enough. You see, I think 30, 40 years from now, school won't look like anything like we have now. In fact, the key question I'm asking is where is learning better virtually? When is it better one-on-one and in a room? These are new questions. So we have a lot of new things to be challenged by. Our Curriculum 21 website is hit, I think this month we've had, for about the last year, over 55,000 hits from all over the world. We have a clearinghouse. This is free. Teachers post and share Web 2.0 strategies that are tagged. People want to share. We'll go to a professional learning community. How many of you are a member of a professional learning community online? Every hand needs to go up. And if you don't, you're going to need to explain to him why you're not. Every school, look at your own webpage. Does it look inviting or does it look boring, like you're going to sell auto insurance or something? The point here is kids are looking to you to see what century you're in, and you have to choose it. And this is what I think. I often ask this questions in workshops. What year are you preparing your kids for? If I went into your school like a cultural anthropologist and I looked at artifacts, what you assess, because that's what you value, your curriculum, how you organize your day, are you still fundamentally in a rigid system where the main meeting in your high school are departments, although sorry about that. When our learner, Justin, Curtis too, Justin doesn't go to a department. If they're still meeting that way, then you basically have 19th century structures, 20th century curriculum, and a 21st century learner. That's not going to work. So as we make these decisions, here's something new, a couple new thoughts. I was speaking in Manitoba, ASCD. It's a big group, about 300 or 400 people. And this one gentleman raised his hand, and that's kind of unusual in a big thing. I'm going, when somebody raises their hand in a big deal, you kind of go, this person either is going to do something really weird, they need attention, or they're really good. This comes from experience. Like if one of you stands up right now, I'm going to get a little worried. He stands up and he says, I have a question for you, Dr. Jacobs. And I said, what is it? And he said, don't you think we shouldn't call them 21st century skills? And I went, that is really interesting. I've been thinking about that. He says, they're right now skills. He says, when people talk 21st century, it sounds like Isaac Asimov, like it's in the future. He is absolutely right. You see, 11.7% of the 21st century is already over. And what we have is that we do have to choose our century, and guess who already knows it? They do. How many of you remember Norma Ray, the film? Any of you remember? And how she stands on the table and holds up the sign? Guess who I think is going to start standing on the table? They are. Because they deserve better. They deserve to have schools where we are willing to make choices, even within restrictions, steady, thoughtful decisions, or we at least should change our mission statements. We're preparing you, Justin, for about 1982. We were happier then, something like that. The television was better. I mean, we're be honest enough to say that. So there's new literacies, and right now I'm working on another book series, and I think there's 3 new literacies, and I think they're overlapping and different. And right now I'm trying to work on some projects to show what they would look like as replacements. But that means that teachers and administrators, let me say that again, administrators need to use these as well. They're digital literacies, media literacy, and global. They're overlapping but distinctive. So we have new literacies, new learners, new opportunities, and I would say this, the days of the binder are over. Who remembers binders? I want you to think of the root word, bound, shackled, the shackled curriculum. So if I look at the Kentucky system, which again I want to reiterate, I want to get a password and get in, my hunch is, from what I could see, we're going to see something dynamic. We're going to see something that grows. If I go to CISA 1 in Wisconsin, we're going to see something that's breathing, that's growing. Because the minute you put anything on paper, it's over. My friends, paper is dead. Now, a couple of you have paper. It's okay. There's places for it. But I am not going to support the Bring Back Papyrus movement. You know why every textbook in every one of your states that's in paper is dated? I looked at a social studies textbook from 2009 on global studies. You should see the section on the Middle East. It's true. So we need to be using these tools for sharing. And in addition to that, we then have to look at our new challenge. This was our team's challenge. This is what we feel was important. Our challenge was our belief in upgrading curriculum instruction and assessment, replacing the dated with more modern and contemporary solutions with the advent of the Common Core standards. And so we've taken this on. And here's how I want to start. In our work, in our model, which is we've been working on for several years, and we've worked around the country, and we were the group that was contracted by New York City for the initial rollout of Common Core in a pilot 2 years ago. We've worked in many of your states. Here's what I think is the crux, and I think leadership will get where I'm coming from. I really believe the Common Core standards are an opportunity to modernize instead of a compliance-driven initiative. You know what I'm getting at here? In other words, I have to do this. That is not necessarily motivating. You can see teachers roll their eyes. Okay, now what's next? 48 states are involved. Prediction? All of them will be. Yes, including Texas. They will. It's too expensive. It's too difficult. It'll change, and the standards will continue to get better. So in examining this question, we believe that as we look at assessing, for example, the Common Core, and as in our work, and I'll discuss that briefly in a moment, I believe that if I look at this question that I started with, how do we prepare students for their future? Here is a classroom in Jacksonville, Florida. I want you to think of the standards. Those of you who know them by number, raise your hand. You should be very proud of yourselves. I want you to think about reading informational texts. Who knows what I'm talking about? Grade 5, Standard 7, that ask kids to gather information from a range of sources and make meaning from it. Jacksonville, Florida, perfect example of modernizing, of upgrading. And this was an assessment. The kids are studying the continents. The teacher, who is a connected teacher, do you see what I mean? Digitally, media, globally connected, Sylvia Tolosano, finds from National Geographic, because she's on their Twitter feed. Are you following what I'm getting at here? She finds out that there is an opportunity for a 5th grade class in Florida to host a Skype session with an explorer in Antarctica. Now, Sylvia was supposed to study South America before Antarctica, but guess what? She is not compulsive. She says, I think I could turn this around so my kids could actually have an amazing experience, as opposed to, I can't do it. I do what the textbook does. So her class hosts, take a look at this image. The kids are videographers, they're photographers. There's a back channel, which is like a Twitter feed. Schools around the state of Florida are sending questions to the interviewer. Every time that the explorer mentions some piece of data, like there's 5 indigenous penguin species, they put it into data entry. They begin researching. That is not the teacher in the background by the desk. Guess who's running this piece? Guess who owns the learning? Guess what will be the outcome? A documentary. Now you tell me what century they're preparing the kids for. This isn't enrichment. This is necessity. So instead of having your kids make a diorama out of shoeboxes, and I can appreciate that it's a good excuse for buying shoes. I respect it. By the way, your shoes are dynamite. How many of you noticed? Yeah, I was paying attention to what you were saying. I really was. But I was like, whoa. And so as we look at these questions, what I find is this. This is an example. You don't need to be hearing this. But I look at the math standards, place value, 5th grade, understanding place value. Take a look at this. New York City, teacher in the Bronx. This is what she's going to have her kids do. Take paper cups. And when they meet that standard, they're going to be filming it, and they have to explain it orally. And she said what happened the next week is she had kids come in with 50 cups to see, watch where I'm going, see how big they could go. But they had to describe and explain orally and video clip tape it. All they used were their little phones. To me, this is better than a worksheet, and the kids own the learning. So we developed our Mapping to the Core program, and I'm delighted and honored to be partners with SciNet on this. We're very excited about it. And it comes in a new format called a live book in our live planner. But fundamentally, we have a 4-phase model that our team has developed, and we're working through states and around the country. And it's based on laying the foundation for Common Core, launching the mapping process to begin to lay out your curriculum in an exciting way, and we do believe it needs to be electronic, even if you use something simple like Edmodo to begin posting, or you use formal software. We move to what I think is the crux of the matter. Once you get assessment data, what do you do with it? Put it in a record book? Post it in a newspaper? That doesn't help, Justin. The point here is to inform maps with assessment, and then finally, and the one we're all sort of looking at right now, is advancing maps into the future. How many of you are going to be with Ann Johnson and with me over the next 2 days? How many of you in the room are in the Common Core Institute? Look forward to working with you. We're going to go into a lot of detail, and we will be using our new tools, which are Live Book and Live Planner, which are kind of like an e-book on steroids. Interactive, exciting, dynamic, allow you to share and build. I wrote this book using this format, and right now I'm working on another book with another publisher, and I have to tell you, it's hard for me. This is so much more interesting. If I want to add something to this book, I can change it on my book, and guess what will happen to everybody else's book? It updates. Can you imagine what that's like? So for us, we find this very exciting and very compelling. I just want to make a quick sidebar because someone asked me about it. Those of you who are going to be with Ann and with me, I would recommend you don't come to my session that follows. One of you came up and said, should I come? And I'm going, no. So don't, okay? And if you show up, I'll be mad at you, so it's all right. All right. Just in fairness to everyone, I just think that's an important piece. So a few quick points about mapping. Mapping is calendar-based. Mapping is the way we believe you should lay out curriculum. I developed a model that came out in 1997 on curriculum mapping, and people have added to it, made it better. It's pretty amazing for me. What we look at is as we lay out maps, we can immediately access information. People plan authentically their work, and they begin to inform those maps by looking at student work as well. There's basically the notion that maps are like a blueprint. They're plans. And as you lay out these plans, you're able then to consider 2 things. There's consensus maps, which are less detailed, but are what Bob Marzano, a good friend of mine, would say would be the guaranteed curriculum. So if I'm in a large district and we have 17 schools, we may want core maps to guarantee certain practices, but we have to be careful because we also need viability. That means the individual teacher needs to be able to make responsive choices for what Justin needs, so they're more detailed. And in a way, if you think about a GPS system, the further away you get, the more general things are. So the standards for the nation were not written for Justin. That's going to be your problem. So the closer we get to the classroom level, the more detailed it is. And with software solutions, you can do that. So we are building our maps, classroom to classroom, year to year, between grades, across grades, and I have immediate access to how my students are doing. Here's my challenge, because I asked what's in his best interest. If you're not mapping openly within the school site where he's working, then how are you finding out what's going on? Are you going to go back to a binder? I don't think so. So we believe we've got some very good approaches, and I would reiterate a few critical points as I finish up here. Mapping is a verb. Having maps isn't going to help Justin. Using them will. Reviewing them, updating them. You know, the Latin word for curriculum is a path to run in small steps. That's what it means. Have any of you been to Rome, Italy? Did you go to the Colosseum? About 100 yards from the Colosseum is the Circus Maximus, the big course. Do you know what it was called? The Curricula of Rome. That's where we get the word. It was the course you could run. And if, in fact, that course isn't modern, contemporary, if we don't look at gaps, if we don't align it to our standards, if we don't look at repetitions, if we don't have immediate access to information, if we don't keep looking to make sure what we do is inherently coherent, and if it isn't current, then what kind of path do we have? We just have a lot of separate steps, and we just hope he can figure it out. There should be more we statements than I statements in this work. And so let me conclude with the notion, the question I started with. How can we prepare this student for his future? How can we prepare ourselves? And so I thank you for allowing me to be here. Sign it. I'm so delighted to join you. You're in for some wonderful programs. And while you're at it, I strongly recommend you get a Twitter account while you're here. No, I do. And I want you to go to the hashtag SIIS2012. How many of you have been tweeting and following it? A great Twitter feed. Start to join. Take a risk. Take that step. And best wishes to you, and a special thank you to Justin. Thank you. Thank you.